नमस्कार एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द गीकी योगिन। मेरा नाम वान्या है और मैं एक सर्टिफाइड अष्टांगा योगा ट्रेनर हूँ। आज हम लेकर आए हैं ऐसे इफ़ेक्टिव योगा पोस्चर्स जिससे हम पा सकते हैं किलर एब्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई डू नॉट बिलीव इन स्पॉट रिडक्शन, बट इफ़ वी प्रैक्टिस दीज पोस्चर्स daily in our exercise regime, they are definitely going to help us strengthen our abs and also tone the abs. So let's take a look at killer postures for killer abs. The first one is called as the Druta Utkatasana, also called as the chair pose. It's a variation of chair. So for this, you keep your chest parallel to your thighs, your feet are pointing forward, and you take your hands, extend your hands, your arms up. Stay here for at least 8 breaths. Keep compressing your core. That's the most important beat. Keep compressing your core, and as if you try to place your hand on top of your back, somebody is pushing you down and you're pushing them back up, right? So imagine that. That's how strongly you have to compress your core. Stay here for at least 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, and relax. Wonderful. The next posture that we're going to do is called as the plank pose. For that, you come down and you come up on your 4 limbs. Keep your drishti in front, diagonally in front of you. Keep a posterior tilt. Keep pushing your heels back and stay here compressing your core for at least 8 breaths for those killer abs. Come on. And relax. The next posture that we're going to do is called as the boat pose. For that, again get ready and come up. Keep compressing your core and keep breathing through your nostrils. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Stay here for 8 breaths. And relax. The next posture that we're going to be doing for the killer abs is called as the Tulasana. For that, you get into Padmasana. You get into Padmasana, and then from here you lift up. Keep compressing your core. That's the most important bit for those strong and nice and toned abs. 8 breaths. And gently down. Wonderful. The next posture that we're going to be doing is called as the side plank or the Vasisthasana. For that, you lift up on your sides like this. You can do it static here, or you can as well do it in a dynamic fashion. So for that, you take your left hand up, which is up, you bring it down, take it under and back up. Keep compressing your sides. That's the most important bit. And then stay here for at least 8 breaths. Let's begin. Keep compressing your core. And then you can change the sides. Take it up, keep compressing your core, the sides, keep lifting up from your sides and in. The next posture is called as the hip bridge, Setu bandhasana. For that, lie down on your mat, keep the hands by the side of your hips and lift up. Now squeeze your glutes, push your weight into your feet and stay here for at least 8 breaths. Keep compressing your core and use your nostrils to breathe in and breathe out. And relax. The next posture for killer abs is from here in this position itself. You take your legs up and you stay here. You can take your hands as well up and keep compressing your core and stay here. At least 8 breaths. Always hold this core tight. Use thoracic breathing. Expand your chest and contract your chest, but keep your abdomen tight. From this position itself, take your feet wide, your legs wide, and again stay here for 8 breaths. Keep compressing your core. Bring them back up and gently bring them down. Fantastic. The next one for our abs is the Dhanurasana, also called as the bow pose. For that, you lie down on your mat, bend your knees, grab your ankles and you lift up. Now ensure that your body weight is on your navel. Keep your shoulders stretched, keep pulling your legs up, let your legs pull your hands and maintain the weight on your navel. Deep breathing here. And gently down. Wonderful. The last one that we're going to do is called as the Ardha Matsyendrasana or half fish lord pose. For that, you can see from the side, from the front, you bend your right knee, take the right foot besides the left knee, you bend your left knee as well, keep it by the side of your right hip. Since the right leg is bent, you take your left hand up, your left arm up and you twist and grab your right foot. Now as you do this, you will already see a good compression in your core. Now you deepen it by twisting and watch your shoulder back. Very nice. Stay there for at least 8 breaths and do it on both the sides. Compress your core, deepen the twist. and gently dismount from the posture. So these were our beautiful yoga postures that are going to help you get killer, nice toned abs. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel. Namaste.